Hi, I'm Dr. Kari Harsh with Allegheny Hearing and Balance. Today I'll be showing you how to insert and remove a behind-the-ear hearing aid that has a non-custom dome on the end. There is a separate video for a behind-the-ear hearing aid that has a custom ear mold on the end, so please be sure to refer to that if you need. But otherwise, here we go. Remember, red for the right, blue for the left ear. If you hold up the hearing aid and the dome points towards your ear, you're in the correct ear. Where the wire curves on the hearing aid sits at the top of your ear, next to where your glasses would. For most of us, it's easiest to put the piece behind the ear first. Slide that right behind the top part of your ear. When the piece is in place behind your ear, you can run your finger down the wire, find the end of the speaker, and place it in the ear canal opening where an earplug would go. I find it easiest to push on the speaker box itself to wiggle it as deep in the ear canal as I can, and then adjust the back piece of the hearing aid to fit comfortably. And now to remove the hearing aid, I find the easiest thing to do is push the back part of the hearing aid forward off of my ear slightly, run my finger down that wire, and gently pull straight out and up off the top of the ear. If you're having any difficulty with the method that we've reviewed here today, there are alternate methods that you can use. And as always, if you have those questions or concerns, please give us a call, and one of the audiologists can go over those alternates and questions with you. Thanks, and have a great day.